Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do lash lift at home step by step like a professional. I'm Lucia and I'm the one selling Iconsign lash lift in Finland. After many times do lash lift for my friends and myself and my customer, I have collected many tips for share with you guys here. So here is the lash lift you are going to get. I'm going to open a new one with you today. So when you open, you're gonna get 7 items. You will get the glue, pump lotion, fixation, nutrition after you do lash lift, and cleanser. You will have 3 white brushes. And you also have 5 pair of pad lift. So let's zoom closer for you to see my eyelashes before I do the lash lift. I have done lash lift for myself, but after 4 months, my lashes is totally straight and totally normal again. So here you can see it's totally straight. So step 1, make sure that your eye area is clean. My eye area now is out of makeup and it's clean. So I will jump to the step 2. With a lift pad, it's really important that you choose the right size for your eyes. You have the thin one to the thick one. And many people misunderstand that the thicker lift pad will make your eyes lashes look more glamorous. But actually, it's the opposite way. Try to use the thinnest lift pad as possible. If your lashes is really long, so you have to use a thicker lift pad. And if you are new and you don't know, which size should I use? So the best way for you is test on your eye. So the best way for you to know which size is the best for your lashes is place the lift pad on your eyelid and try to lift up your lashes. So I would place it like this and try to keep it and lift up my lashes. So as you can see here, this is way too thick for my lashes. My lashes cannot even curl here. So if I use this thick lift pad for my lashes, so I cannot see any result. So that's why some of my customers complain about this not change anything for my lashes. Believe me, if you do it right way, I'm 100% that you will get the results. Because my lashes is really short, the size S is the perfect size for my lashes. So after I can choose the right lift pad for my lashes, I would use a glue to put it in this side. Try to put as little as possible, but it has to cover everywhere in the lift pad like this. And then you want to wait for 20 to 30 seconds till the glue set down a little bit. If you put more glue, you have to wait longer for that, and it's not necessary. You just waste your time in your product. So now it's time. And then you will hold it for 10 seconds. Then again, I will put glue on the other side of the lift pad. And remember, try to put as little glue as possible, but you have to make sure that it have to cover the whole pad. And then wait to 5 seconds, and then I will put the glue on my lashes. Then again, I would wait 20 to 30 seconds for the glue to set down. So now is the time I'm gonna lift up lashes onto the lift pad. This step is very important because your lashes gonna look exactly like this after the treatment. Here you can see my lashes here, they go to this way. And if I leave it like this, it's okay. But when I take it out, the lashes gonna look exactly like this. So think about if you do a lash lift and then your lashes in this way is like really messy. So then you're gonna have messy results. So if you don't feel satisfied with how it's look now, you can try to apply the glue again, exactly the place you want to fix. And then you can work again. For example, I want to work here again. And also this I also want to fix. And this also I want to fix it. Okay, after you apply the glue again, try to wait some seconds till the glue set down, and then you can work for it again. After I'm satisfied with how this look now, I would wait for 10 seconds more to make sure everything is set down. Okay, and then next I would move to perm lotion. You will leave the perm lotion from 8 to 12 minutes because my lashes is very thin, so I just need 8 minutes to do the treatment. This lotion will help your eyelashes softer and curl. So you just apply from the roots to the body of the lashes, not on the tips, because your lashes tips is really thin and weak. So as you can see, after I apply perm lotion, my eye is not irritated. I was so scared because I worry about it's gonna destroy my eyes, but actually it's not, because it's designed for you to do the lash lift at home and do it on your eyes area, so don't worry. In step number 5, they tell you to use a plastic wrap, put it around your eyes after you do the perm lotion. For me, I really don't think it's necessary because your lashes will curl without doing that. So one thing's really important in this step I want to share with you guys, because your lashes tips is much thinner than the roots and the body. I would strongly recommend you to not put the lotion on the tips at the same time with the roots and the body, because after 2 or 3 months your lashes will look really weird because the roots and the body is straight and the tips is curl. So to avoid that, I recommend you to put the lotion on the tips in the last minute. Okay, so after 8 minutes, I will remove the lotion, and make sure that you remove the lotion really careful.
Look at those palm trees there.
Now I will move to the fixation, and this lotion will help the curl last longer, from 8 to 12 weeks. With this one, you also put from the root to the body and lift up to the tips in the last minute. And then I wait for 8 minutes again. Honestly, I have done lash lifts so many times. Every time I do the lash lifts again, I'm so excited to see the results because my eyes look much more attractive after the treatment. And now it's time to remove everything, and then you can see the magic happens. I will use the cleanser number 4 to remove everything, the gel, the lotion, and the glue. So here is the results look like. I have one tips for you. With the lashes, you would cleanse with the cleanser. But with your eyelid, you can definitely use water to save the product and save your time. So here is the result. You can see here, you can really barely see my lashes. But here, look. You can really see the difference from eye to eyes. And as you can see, my lashes is very short and very thin. So the effect is not like bam, but if you have long and dark lashes, it's really worth for you to try the product out. And because I'm filming and do the treatment at the same time, so the result is not the best results I have got, but you still can really see the difference. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question about product, please comment below. We will get in touch.